Welcome back to Daily Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to learn how to log into a TikTok account. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. As you can see on my screen, guys, that I already do have a TikTok account. Simply, I'm going to tap an open option, and as you know, you can get it easily through an app store or Play Store if you do not have it. So simply tapping an open option is going to open TikTok. This is a particular homepage, but I'm not simply signed in or logged in, so I'm going to simply tap on me option just on the bottom over here. This is going to take me to an option of profile where I can sign up, so I'm going to tap on sign up just like this. So if I do have an account, I can simply tap on the particular account or add another accounts as well. So this is a particular account, but I'm not logged in, so I'm going to tap on particular account just like this. If I open it through phone number, I can do it by sending code, and if I open through username or simply email, so let me do it from the username just like this, or simply by phone number. I can do it over here, tap here on send code. This is simply going to send me the send code, and I need to put this puzzle right and solve it just like this. And since it has been successful, I'm going to get a verification code. So as you can see on my screen, I do already have a verification code as an insert. So guys, I'm already logged into my particular profile, and this is my particular TikTok account. So this is how you log in to a TikTok account if you have open it through a phone number, and you can even do it through a username by simply inserting your password as well. So this is how you do it. This is how you log into a TikTok account. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.